Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today's video is gonna be awesome because I have something special on my desk. This is Ultimate Ear's new Bluetooth speaker called the Wonderboom Freestyle. It's a 360-degree speaker that is IPX7 rated waterproof and is virtually indestructible. You can literally throw this thing in a swimming pool and it'll just float on the water and keep playing the music. That's really cool, right? I can't wait to unbox and check it out. The Wonderboom Freestyle comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the Ultimate Ear's branding on it and a picture of the speaker on the box. Over here you've got some features of the speaker. This thing is waterproof, it's 1.5 meter drop resistant, produces 360-degree sound, gives 10 hours of non-stop music playback, and if you've got two Wonderboom speakers, then you can even pair both of them together to get double the fun. So those were its features. Now let's check out the pricing details. The price on the box says it's 6,995 rupees, but it's available for only about 6,500 rupees. So that was about the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape here. I want to thank Ultimate Ears for sending me this product for review. The outer cover slides out like this, and inside we have this black box. Let me also cut this seal over here. There we go. Let's open the box and check out the speaker. So here it is, Ultimate Ears Wonderboom Freestyle Bluetooth speaker. I kinda like the box packing, very unique design. Let's take the speaker out of the box. Wow, this thing looks beautiful. The color we have is called the unicorn. There's a flap over here. Let me just put it back, we'll check it out later. From my first impressions, I have to tell this, it's a solid looking speaker. Let's just keep the speaker aside and see what else do we get in the box. All the accessories are nicely hidden under these flaps. Let me show them to you. So that's it, these are all the items you got in the box. You get some paperwork, it's a user manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read them for all the info on the product. And in the other tiny box, you get this funky looking USB cable for charging the speaker. Now let's check out the Wonderboom. So this is how the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom Freestyle looks like. It's a 360-degree Bluetooth speaker and has two 40mm active drivers and two passive bass radiators, each of 46.1mm and 65.2mm. At the top, you've got the Ultimate Ears branding, a Bluetooth pair button, and a power button with LED indicator. There's also a loop here so you can even hang it onto something. On the front, you've got these two big volume up and volume down buttons. The quality of the buttons is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. I really like the design of the speaker. It is shockproof and also waterproof. At the bottom, you've got some info regarding the product, and above that there's a flap, under which you have a micro USB port for charging the speaker. That's it guys, there is nothing else on it. So that was our overview on the design. The build quality of the speaker is top notch and it looks really attractive. It weighs about 425 grams. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. To power it on, you just need to single press this button over here. There you go, that was super quick. It automatically connects to the previously paired device, but if you want to pair with a new one, you need to press and hold this pair button for about 2 to 3 seconds to enter the pairing mode. So as you can see, the LED is blinking constantly and we are ready to pair with it. Let me just bring my phone, turn on Bluetooth and connect to the speaker. Click on Wonderboom in this list and that's it, our speaker is ready to be used. Now let's play a song and see how the audio sounds like. The audio quality was amazing on the speaker. I was totally blown away by the output. It has a surprisingly big sound for such a pin-sized speaker. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, you could clearly understand the dialogues. The high frequency response was also good, it had silky smooth treble. And talking about the bass was really good and punchy, especially for such a small speaker. Both the bass radiators were definitely doing a good job. On the overall, the audio quality was really good. The total harmonic distortion was low up to 80% volume level, beyond which you can feel slight distortion in the audio. And talking about the audio output, the Wonderboom Freestyle can go really loud. You can literally throw down a party with this thing in a mid-sized room. I was quite satisfied with the output. Plus, if you've got two such speakers, you can pair them up together to get double the output. So at the beginning of this video, I've told you that the Wonderboom is drop resistant, right? Yes, the company claims that even if you drop this speaker from a height of up to 5 feet, nothing's gonna happen to it. So let's just drop it on the floor and see if it still plays the music. Oh, that was painful. But as you can see, even when it felt that hard on the ground, nothing happened to it, not even a single scratch, and the speaker kept playing the music. It has a really tough build quality and has passed my drop test. Now let's also do a waterproof test. The Wonderboom Freestyle is IPX7 rated waterproof, and that means you can dip it, dunk it, splash, soak, or even submerge it underwater. Nothing's gonna happen to it. You can submerge it in water up to 1 meter for around 30 minutes. The company says you can even throw it in a swimming pool and play music. Well, I would have loved to throw it in my pool and show you, but my pool is dry right now. That's why we'll be dropping it in this bowl full of water and see if it continues to play the music. So as you can see, the Wonderboom still continues to play the music even when dropped in water. That is super awesome. Just check out this clip. This speaker has passed my water test also. Now let's talk about the battery life. The company has not specified anything about the battery capacity, but on my usage I was getting around 7 to 8 hours of continuous music playtime at 70% volume level, and charging it from 0 to 100 took around 3 hours. So that was my review on the Ultimateer's Wonderboom Freestyle Bluetooth speaker. It's a really good Bluetooth speaker, the build quality is solid, looks very attractive, it's shockproof, waterproof, has amazing sound quality and packs a decent battery life. But I wish this thing had a few things. There is no 3.5mm aux port and also no microphone. If only this speaker had those things, it would have been awesome for the price. It costs about 6,500 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.